What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome back to the Tradman YouTube channel. And today we're having a look at my traditional pole setup. Stay tuned. Okay then folks, so here we are with the two traditional poles that I mainly use. So we've got this one here, which originally was around about 30 feet, but I've actually cut it down slightly more. So it's just over 20 foot long, and this is a carbon fiber pole. This one here is the Phantom Trad pole. So that is part carbon, part fiberglass. We'll leave the links to these poles in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. But really nice and easy way to attach these. We'll show you the facelift clamp here. Okay, so normally when you get your water-fed pole, you can order this with it as well. So very simply and easily, all I've done is taken a screw and put it through the existing hole on the Mormon handle and actually into the water-fed pole angle adapter. And the reason for this is because most of the time, near enough all of the time, I was leaving this on the pole anyway. So now what this means is I can quickly swap this out to a water-fed pole brush head, or if you're purely traditional, you can then swap it for this, which is the cobweb duster. This is the Unger one, which screws onto the Unger end cone, and on the end of it, you've got the water-fed pole to trad adapter. Now again, I'll leave the links in the description below, so you don't have to try and hunt down these things. Everything you see today, I'll put in the description so you can find it nice and easy. So between the two poles, you've got quick and easy access to different things, whether it's you want to quickly chuck in the Mormon accelerator to do some trad work, or you can chuck in a water-fed pole brush head and get cracking with that. And this one's got a slightly different lever. This was just odds and ends that I found lying around in the workshop, but same principle. You can change your angle to get over deep ledges and things like that. I've had quite a few people messaging me about trying to get a good traditional adapter that'll get over deep ledges. And as you'll know if you've seen the review I did on the Dr. Angle, I'll leave that up there for you. I wasn't too impressed with it. It was very wobbly, not very sturdy angle adapter. So I thought, well, why not use a water-fed pole angle adapter? They're nice and strong, they've been around for a while, they're well made. You can lock them off at any angle that you want, and it gets over deep ledges nice and easily. And the same with the facelift one, which is this one here. Just pop that back in. The Phantom clamps hold them really well, really snug fit. And again, just undo that lever and you've got a full range of motion to get pretty much over any obstacle you could be tradding or water-fed poling. So there you go folks, it's a nice quick and easy way to go from your combination tool. In this instance, this is the Mormon Accelerator 2.0. Same with that one there. And this is the Mormon Flick Pad. This is what does the washing. And you flick that over and it presents the squeegee blade there to squeegee the window down. So that is the ultimate traditional setup, I would say, because you've got that full range of motion that you can get over any ledge. You've got water-fed pole clamps. These are one of the best ones that you can get on the market. You've got a carbon pole as well. And what more could you ask for? And if you need to do a bit of dusting, within seconds, chuck that out, put that one in, bang, you've got a cobweb duster. As easy as that. And to store it, I'll just bring my bucket over here. So this is, I think originally was to hold the Mormon Aquafill, which basically is just a bit of pipe that you attach to your tap and you can fill up the bucket. So that's all this is, but any kind of clip that will hold this part here, and all I do is chuck that in there like that, and that holds my cobweb duster till I need it. So most of the time I've got this attached to clean the windows, the Mormon Accelerator, and then when I need to swap over, I just simply pull that out, chuck the accelerator in the bucket, take the cobweb duster out, put that in, lock it down, do my dusting, and then it's quite simply pop that back and back goes the squeegee. Nice and easy. So if you've enjoyed the video folks, hopefully you've learned something today. Hopefully that's helpful. The way to attach your Mormon Accelerator to a water-fed pole adapter within seconds. Very, very easy. Just pop a screw in. Or if you want to be really professional, you could bore a hole and put a nut and a bolt, but it's just as easy just to get a little screw like so, about that kind of length, pop it through the water-fed pole adapter, and within seconds, you've got your quick change angle adapter there. Okay. hopefully that's been of use to you folks. Thank you very much for tuning in, much appreciated. Remember to smash the like button if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, be good, and bye for now.